wanted to show you my new purchase from Grand Design, a Grand Design 2600 RV. Imagine, this is not a used vehicle. May look like it. Certainly doesn't seem like this is what a new vehicle condition should be, but it's what I got. Not disclosed, not mentioned, and I wasn't aware of it until the end of the year. Purchased November 2nd, and I realized it just before New Year's. So, always take time to look your vehicle over, and I will recommend having a inspector. By the way, just about every bolt, bracket, axle, just about everything under this vehicle is rusted.